Hey, the house. Here at the house, I'm going to have a haircut today. You can tell it's like going crazy. I'm going to keep my egg baskets to plant seeds in. Got my toilet rolls and the last few toilet papers that we have to plant in as well. Trying to recycle everything. Come this way though. Windy day today. North wind coming from the north. We're getting these ready. I'm preparing my beehive here. I'm going to put the lures in. I'm getting my pots ready for cucumbers to make my green curtains when it gets a bit warmer. So come this way into the greenhouse. So if you can now, at least in the greenhouse, it's about 14-15 degrees right now. So my compost heaps are going great guns. They're ticking over at almost 65 degrees centigrade right now. If I bring that out, can you see that temperature? So 55, 60, so that's perfect temperature. And to keep things, it's really good for actually keeping the beds warm and the heat coming through. I can feel there's warmth under there, and that's my some other seedlings, some more seedlings here. And if you just look around, this is my woad coming out. I mean, I've been building shelves ad hoc around just using scrap wood. It's still a bit of a mess in here, but I've got all my courgettes over here. I've got cucumbers, and I've got loads of basil coming through. In fact, everything's just coming through right now. Seems that the temperature's just perfect. Tomatoes over here, some more woad, some beetroot over there. So it's nice being here. I've got my little kind of potting area. I can get things in the ground. Composting's happening, so we'll actually turn it into here so we have more compost. And if you look up here, we're making shelves constantly. There's more plants up here. So all in all, I need more land. So I'll have to ask the neighbours if I can plant on their land. Anyway, Instagram @HaveYouStayed. Out!